for Boone.
Yep, I saw that.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northern Dekalb County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Mchenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Davis Junction, or 7 miles south of Rockford Airport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Spring Grove, Kingston, Fairdale, Union, Woodstock, Malta, Harvard, Hebron, Cherry Valley, Genoa, Ringwood, Garden Prairie, Kemen, New Milford, Poplar Grove, Greenwood, Wonder Lake, Kirkland, Rochelle, Caledonia, Dekalb, Marengo, and Sycamore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central and northeastern Illinois. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central and northeastern Illinois. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Rockford and surrounding communities. A fire weather watch remains in effect from the summary of watches and warnings and advisories in effect. Crystal Lake and surrounding communities.